and not worry about how it's being understood or whatever. Yet the wonderful thing about that is that it speaks to people.
So this is a 16 unit deal, already purchased. We got 2 floors in this building, and there's 10 units. And then on the other side, then we got 6 units on this side. So the renovation's already underway, revamping all the units. We have a mix of 1 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms, doing the rewiring, the plumbing, the paint, floors, everything. And this was an off-market deal. It's already occupied by a few tenants, and there's 6 down units right now. So just going through it.
So I kept some of the tenants in to keep the cash flow coming. So we're working around them.
Let me tell you guys something. When you roll with Big A for the day, you're gonna be sweating. This guy moves 1,000 miles an hour.
We got a lot of the, we're replacing all the plumbing. And I just put the order in for the windows. So we're gonna have brand new windows, energy efficient. And hey Ross, want to think of that?
I could use one. Holy shit.
Yeah, look at this thing. I mean, that's probably from like 1940.
Yeah.
Right? So what do we got? 80-year-old bathtub?
You didn't want to leave that in there?
Man, this was the punishment room. Check it out. And
you know what I love about this is you actually can see the downtown skyscrapers right out of your window.
I like it. And by the way, there's a new light rail train stop 1 block away that just got turned on. So it's kind of a future play. You know, I'm gonna work on flipping the deal, but if not, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, this area is gonna be sprawling.
And let's talk about that too, because you know, for somebody that doesn't have the investing eye, they may look at this neighborhood and say, I wouldn't want to buy there. But you and I, we see it like, okay, in 5, 10 years, you know, things are going to be different. So what should somebody be looking for when going into a distressed neighborhood?
Well, look, I mean, employment is really important when it comes to all real estate. And again, just being 1 to 2 miles away from downtown Houston, you know, we are now the 3rd largest city in the United States.
Look at this thing, huh? Got a little lowrider out here. Dude.
Yeah. Hey, we got a new bathtub. Let's go see what we got. Oh yeah, this is a good one. I mean, look, we can actually spread out your legs.
Oh,
listen,
man.
It's small. It's definitely a small complex, but you know, it's going to be real solid. We've replaced a lot of the wood rot, and the hardy plank's going up right now outside. So look, when it comes to apartment buildings, you really got to work on the exterior because there's a lot of drive-bys going on. Not the kind of drive-bys that you're probably used to, but I mean drive-bys. People are looking for places to live. And
well, in this neighborhood, there might be the other kind of drive-bys.
Well, look at this.
Holy
yeah, these were they were just sitting right next to the stove, exposed. So we're doing everything the right way. We're putting them 6 to 12 inches off the ground, and we're going to build a wall around it.
Unbelievable.
So really excited. New windows coming. We're going to go pick out some paint colors. I got some new roofs that just went up.
So, for the people that don't know who you are, you have a book, a freaking awesome book. Let's talk about it.
So I just got back from Japan, and I listened to my book on the flight on the way home. Some people might think that's egotistical. But I got to tell you, it's awesome. I mean, it's all about asset swapping. It's all about starting with the houses and then getting into the apartment buildings and then getting into other commercial real estate, such as shopping centers and warehouses and single tenant leases and office and medical. Matter of fact, we're going to head over to one of the shopping centers when we're done with this. So, you know, I love real estate. I love all classes of real estate. There's times where one class makes more money than the other. I think retail right now is making more money than other classes, but you don't want to miss the low-hanging fruit, and that's what this is. This is low-hanging fruit. This is a pocket of Houston that isn't keeping up yet with the advancement of how things are changing in the downtown area. So you want to go in. Why not pick up a 16 or a 4-plex or a 32, build a portfolio, hold on to it, and then go ahead and flip it out. I mean, I've sold a few hundred houses in the last few years. I've sold 17 of 18 apartment complexes in the last few years, and I picked up probably a dozen to 15 shopping centers.
All right, now you're just bragging.
All right.
Now you just.
Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the